Aloha, class. This is Brother Castillo. Hope everyone had a terrific week. We are now on to lesson 8 as we are on the backside of the semester, so hopefully everyone's doing great. As far as the agenda, we'll do a little Did You Know trivia to get started. We'll discuss last week's case write up or case study. We'll talk about the lesson 8 objectives, the assignments that are due for lesson 8, the HOA meetings this week, and one final thought. Did you know that the Rubik's Cube is the best-selling product of all time? The second is the iPhone. All right, let's talk about the power of gratitude in organizations. Some lessons learned. As we discussed last week, gratitude can improve one's health. It's important to intentionally reflect daily on what you are grateful for. Always set aside time for self-reflection. Finally, there are positive benefits to organizations and employee behavior as we express gratitude. All right, let's move on to lesson 8. This week we'll be talking about failure, crisis management, decision making, and leadership behavior. We're going to enhance understanding of organizational decision making and learning, as well as catastrophic failures as we discuss the Columbia mission, which is our case for this week. Understand how failures can evolve, learn how to prevent failures in organizations, examine how to manage crises effectively, and learn leadership behavior and how to build an organization that is less susceptible to failures. All right, so the assignments that are due for lesson 8. So this Tuesday at the normal deadline time, you have a case write-up regarding Columbia's final mission. Complete your readings. This week you'll start reading the 5 dysfunctions of a team. You'll be reading up to page 37. Personally, this is one of my favorite leadership books, so I'm glad we're studying it this semester. Due on Saturday, naturally by then you should all have your HOA meetings, your case study meetings held by then. Post your responses to the reading discussion. Again, the sooner you post, the better, so others can comment. Finally, the self-assessment by the deadline. This week, I'll be meeting live with groups 2 and 3. I've enjoyed our live meetings so far throughout the semester. You all are doing a great job and discussing the material. Team leaders, make sure you post the link to your meetings and post it to the discussion board and record the meetings for those that aren't able to attend. Finally, one final thought from Meg Byram. You can't expect to see change if you never do anything differently. Very simple statement, but no less profound and important. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.